Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add custom field above billing address. Okay, so billing details. So here I am adding the occupation field and trying to save the data. Okay, so let's take a look. So I'm going to fill my occupation as businessman. Okay, the rest of the details are filled. Okay, next we have order notes we can add, delivery date we can add. Okay, let's place the order. Occupation we are going to add it. Let's Okay, so occupation that we have added, let's go to the sales orders. So you can phone from the checkout. So here data is not showing. Let's check. WooCommerce checkout process, there is any of the field that is. Okay, checkout process, I think it is not saving maybe. Let's check on the above note. If it is saved, then it should be shown. So where the code it is, we have already added before also. So we have order required by also, so we can also add the copy and the paste it over here, right? So here we can order ID. So it's underscore occupation, so we can add it over here, occupation. Sorry. Okay, and this is customer occupation. So we have added this one, and let's see it is working or not. So you can see that customer occupation that we are able to successfully find out what it is, how to print it over here. So we have taken out, right? So what we are doing. Okay, so let's take a look about the code. So here we are. Okay, check out before customer billing details. That's the hook, that's the action hook that we are using. Okay, so here we have added a new field with a text field. Okay, then we have a WooCommerce checkout field for the validations. Please fill the custom field. Okay, after that we are trying to saving it. Okay, and then after saving this we are going to show it into the order details page, order edit page, you can see. So here we are saying show new checkout field process. So here I'm showing that field. Okay, so this is how whatever we have added in before the billing address, we are able to save that data and show the data on the order detail page. Okay, so hope you understand what exactly we have done. If you have any issue, just let me know in the comment box. Okay, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and please do like, share and comment. Have a great day.